So hello everyone. These are my notes of sequential circuit chapter, and this is the example how sequential circuit can be created with the combination of combinational circuit plus memory element. And this is the SR latch using two NOR gates, and this is your SR latch with enable control using 4 NAND gate. I think we can create this SR latch using our same IC 7400, because you can see, sorry, you can see the SR latch has 4 NAND gate. Our IC, this IC also has 4 NAND gates, so we can create this particular in next upcoming video. And you can see here, this is D latch. This is also can be created with this IC. And this is clock, and this clock we have this D flip-flop. So we'll create some of these circuits in our upcoming video using this IC 7400. So please subscribe my channel and like my video. Thank you.